Guys, tutorial on how to make your ukulele sound like a guitar. So first you gotta put it here so the cat can hear it. So first things first, this is an easy set. You see these two dots over here? Just need to do like that. Then alright, this is the part 2, right? Hear it. And the second step is C. Repeat that all again.